Christopher Naiman. Well, I've got a tip that will help you. If you have one of these 6-needle embroidery machines from, I think it was 2011 maybe, 2012. Anyway, this is one that was manufactured by Brother. And what is notorious with these machines is the plastic casing where, like inside here where the screw gets screwed, it's screwed to a post that's plastic. And all this plastic is just starting to disintegrate on these machines. The mechanics still work, but the plastics are disintegrating. I posted another video a while back on a Brother machine that I had that was a cartridge loading machine where everything was disintegrating. Now, what did disintegrate here? Well, the little O-rings that fit on these spool posts here. And I went and found new ones to replace it. What you do is these pop out. These will come out in the back like that. And you put it in. And you put it in. Let me make sure you can see. Okay, so this pops out. And then you don't want it to pop out though. You want it to stay there. So it needs an O-ring like this. And every single one of these O-rings that were on this got hard and disintegrated. It just crumbled. So I went to Ace Hardware. And this is the item number right there. Yeah, 79 cents a piece for these tiny little O-rings. See that? Let me show you the number again. That's the item number. Ace Hardware has a whole section of little and large O-rings. So sometimes you guys forget about like places like Ace Hardware. That's a gold mine over there. They have all kinds of little things that you can't find anywhere else. So now I'm going to replace all my O-rings here so these things won't be loose or pop up. You see this? It's on there again. See how I put that O-ring on there? So unfortunately, and then look what I had to do over here. See, you got to take this cover off to clean and oil and everything. And when I took this cover off, the little plastic lip inside here, it's all it is little plastic pieces that snap on each other. It broke. So I had to take a piece of industrial, all I had was Velcro to hold this together here. And it's holding, it's fine. And over here, let's see if I can show you. Right there. There's another part, another piece of plastic that broke there. I had to super glue that plastic on to put this back on. So the problem with all these machines that have plastic casing, especially Brother, and I say that because I have Brother machines that have done this. And I already posted a video. I'll post a link below this one to show you what happened with that other Brother casing. So I don't know if Brother has perfected their plastic since this era. You can see this is under the Baby Lock brand, and this is manufactured by Brother though. So all those machines from that era, those plastics disintegrating. Mechanics work great. I was looking online at some sale sites, on the used marketplace, and someone was selling this exact same model without this cover on there. It was all exposed. And I know why it was like that, because they don't make this anymore. They stopped making this cover. Now, if they still made this cover, you could put a new one on there and it'd be fine. But they don't make the cover anymore. You see, that's the problem. You spend all this money on a new machine, and then after several years, things start to happen and they don't make parts anymore. So what's the sense of buying a new machine anymore if it's just going to disintegrate on you? Buy a used machine. You know? That's how I'm feeling lately. Anyway, I hope this helps you. And I hope someone from the manufacturing company sees this and listens to this, because this is an issue. If your parts are going to start disintegrating, you better keep making the replacement parts for them. You want to think about that, everybody. Good product. It sews well, but their choice of plastics and the rubber, I mean, it literally got hard. I wish I would have saved the piece to show you. It literally got hard and disintegrated on all of them. I was sitting here sewing one day and watching it, and I saw this black crumb. I saw all this black crumb on the bottom, and I'm like, what is that? It was falling onto my hoop. And I looked up here, I looked all over, and I found out where it was. So that's that. Oh, and here's a little tip. This is for all you that ask all kinds of questions on Facebook groups. Keep your instruction manuals to read. Keep your instruction manuals out and always open them up and read them. Look for information. Okay, everybody? All right, I hope this helped you. Bye.